Welcome to the final video. This video series was all about answering the question, why does God ask people to worship Him? We've learned that this question stems from having a faulty perception of God, primarily thinking of Him in a human-like way. We've also learned that God does not need us to worship Him in the same way humans need God for sustenance, good health, and so on. The need actually lies in humans who benefit from worship in a number of ways, including giving oneself and humanity a strong moral foundation and liberation from life's many worries. The reasons for worship are also rooted in our understanding of God's greatness and giving thanks for His blessings. That concludes this video series. We hope you've learned more about why you worship and/or gained insight into the foundations of worship itself. If you want to learn more about the Islamic perspective on worship, be sure to read the accompanying scholarly article, Why Does God Ask People to Worship Him?, located on our website. Assalamu alaikum, and thanks for tuning in.